Happy morning to all of you. Welcome in Shri Ganesh online lecture series. My name is Khadame Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second. Now you are in standard 5th. Okay, don't forget it. So yesterday we have started third chapter of EVS second. Now chapter's name is Life on Earth. Okay, so see. Yesterday what we have learned from this chapter? Yesterday we have completed first point, that formation of the earth, that how our earth is formed and when it was formed. Okay, so in that what we have seen, that many questions were there. What? That when our earth is formed, is it same from that time till today, or changes are happened? If changes are happened, then which changes are happened? Okay, so like this we have seen. And about formation, how our earth is formed, what we have seen, that in the space huge cloud was there of hot gases. For huge, which word was there? Which word was used in your textbook? Enormous. Enormous cloud of hot gases, means huge cloud of hot gases. It was there in the space. Again, dust was there. So once that hot gases and that dust started spinning, and it got great speed. And because of that great speed, it is divided into several parts, and those parts are called sun, earth, and our planet. Okay. In planet what we have seen? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Like these planets we have seen. Yesterday I have given you homework also to learn those spellings and copy it in your notebook. I hope all of you have completed it. Okay. So now we will proceed next point. 3.2. What is point's name? Beginning of life on the earth. See, beginning of life. Now we have seen earth. Earth is formed now. But on earth, how life is beginning? On the earth. That we are going to see. Okay? So see. Open your books, page number 12. Chapter number 3, Life on Earth, page number 12, point number 3.2. Now, same thing we are going to do again. Again, you are going to put your index finger there. Okay, first of all, I will read it and then I will explain you. Okay, see. 3.2, Beginning of Life on the Earth. Among these planets, the Earth is only planet where life is known to exist. After the formation of the earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. It is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things first appear in water. They are known as protozoa. Gradually, multicellular living things develop from these unicellular ones. The protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. We need a microscope to see them. Okay, this much we are going to learn today. So see, it's very simple. We don't have to make it complicated. Okay, in simple words we are going to learn it. We know that you are understanding 50% part only because you are not familiar with online teaching. Is it correct? But if you think that I am not understanding this online teaching and I am not getting anything, then what will happen? 100% you will not get anything. But if you will think, yes, I am understanding, I am getting some part of this. If you will tell, yes, I am understanding 50% only, no problem. In first lecture you will understand 50%, in next lecture you will understand 60%. Like this it will get increased. But when you will be familiar with it and you have to change your thinking. Okay? So see, we'll come to our topic. Beginning of life on Earth. See what is told. Among these planets, the Earth is the only planet. Among these planets, which planets? You can see on screen. All these planets are there. Okay? Among these planets, the Earth is only planet where life is known to exist. Among all these planets, life is only on Earth. On other planets, life is not there. Life is not exist. Where life exists? Only on Earth. So we are on Earth. So life is only on Earth. So how it exists there only? So see. After the formation of the Earth, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to be formed on it. See, when our Earth is formed 4.5 billion years ago. 4.5 billion years ago. Billion means observe. 4.5 you observe years ago. Our Earth is formed. How it formed? Because of those hot gases. So its surface was also hot after it is formed. So when it became cool, surface of Earth, when it become cool, that we are going to see. See, when it become cool, it took about 80 crore years for its surface to cool. How much? 80 crore years. If you are pencil, you can underline that word. Earth took 80 crore years to get its surface cool. How much? 80 crore. Don't make confusion. Earth formed 4.5 billion years ago, and it took 80 crore years to cool its surface and for water bodies to be formed. And water bodies, do you know water bodies? We have learned in standard second only. River, sea, ocean, these are water bodies. And it took, for this, 80 crore years it took to cool the surface and to form the water body on the Earth. Understood? Water bodies. Then, it is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms or living things first appeared in water. See, Earth took 80 crore years to make its surface cool. How much? 80 crore years. This much time it took, and then within this time it formed water bodies also. These are water bodies, for example. Okay? Then, our first type, where it found? In these water bodies only. How it formed? See. It believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms, unicellular means single, unicellular organisms or living things first appear in water. Where we found unicellular organisms? In water only. Okay? But see, they are known as protozoa. And what we are saying to those life? Protozoa. What? Protozoa. Gradually, multicellular living things develop from these unicellular ones. And from these unicellular ones, multicellular organisms are formed. From unicellular, multicellular organisms are formed. Okay? See, the protozoa are so tiny. Protozoa are so tiny. You can see on screen. This protozoa is very tiny that cannot be seen with naked eye. We cannot see it naked eye because it is so tiny. On screen you are looking at bigger one. Yes, to look at bigger one, there is one trick, one solution. See, the protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. We need a microscope to see them. What we need? Microscope. You can see what is microscope on the screen. Have you seen microscope? Okay, so we need microscope to see them. If we watch them, if we observe them with the help of microscope, then we can see this much bigger size. Okay, otherwise it is so tiny. What is so tiny? Protozoa is so tiny. If we see it with the help of microscope, we can see it bigger one. Understood? So what do you have to keep in mind from this paragraph? That Earth took 80 crore years to get its surface cool and to form water bodies. In those water bodies, first protozoa is found. That's called unicellular organism. And from that unicellular organism, we got multicellular organisms. Okay? And these protozoa are so tiny, so we cannot observe them with our naked eye. Naked eye means with simple eyes. Okay? With our natural eyes, we cannot see it because it is so tiny. So what we have to use? We should use microscope to observe it and to study it. Okay? Did you get what I told you? Okay. So see, what is called a unicellular organism seen through a microscope only. It is seen through only microscope. In your textbook also pictures are given which you have seen on the screen. Okay?